Welcome back to the channel. My name is VR30 Dane, and today we're doing an unboxing and installation of a carbon fiber Q50 diffuser. Let's do it. Lots of stuff to keep it protected here. All right, and for the reveal. Oh, this thing is sick. Check it out. So it comes with this third brake light that we're gonna have to wire into the existing brake light, but that shouldn't be too hard. So, all right, so now that we got it unboxed, we're gonna head over to my buddy Philip's house. He knows how to tap into the third brake light for the wiring and everything. So cut to the next clip. And we're back. Say what's up, Philip.
Hey, what's up, guys?
We're with the boy. We got it up on the pedestal here. About to get started. All right, go ahead and line it up. Dude, it already looks
like
sick.
A little stiff, so you just gotta make sure you push it all the way in, right here.
So it wraps around.
It kind of wants to hold itself up already. Like if I let go right now, it's kind of holding itself up.
Yeah.
But for markup, we just want to make sure. Probably easier to have it like a two-person job. So you can make sure it's pushed in where it needs to be, and then you could have someone else mark it up with the tape.
Right, which we're gonna do right now. Okay.
At an angle?
Yeah, we did a lot, remember? Here? Or?
Yeah, so lay that. And then... It's good though, because it's the stiffer it is, like, or like the tighter it is on the where it's supposed to be, the better. You're recording? You're making a YouTube video?
Yeah.
Pops made the cut? Oh, we don't know yet, actually, if he makes the cut.
If you stand right there, you will. Philip, show him how to access that inside of the brake light there.
So, I found it's easy if you just get a little flathead screwdriver. You pop these out, and then it'll pull right out. And there's 4 of them, one right here, one underneath, and then 2 on the other side. So we're just gonna get these out, and then hopefully this thing just pops out with ease. Okay, so once you get those clips out, it's pretty simple. All you gotta do is grab it by the bottom, and it should pop straight out. There's 4 clips. Once you get it out, just get it out of here. As you can see, there's those 4 clips. They clip. Just all you gotta do is pull straight up, so you don't break it.
All right, so since you're wiring it into the third brake light here that's already existing, with this model, I don't know if this is how it is for all of the third brake light wires, but for this one, it has the little dongle you can see there. You just go red to red, black to black, and white to green. It should turn on.
You can feel it click a little bit.
And then we're gonna zip tie it so that it's all secure. Ready, now we're under the car. Final step. Came with these, hope you can see it here. Little perforations at the bottom of it. There's another one right here. There's 4 total, so we're gonna go ahead and get those screwed in, and we'll call it a day. So the last thing we didn't show you guys was doing the 3M tape on the top. You just pushed it, made sure the tape lined up with the diffuser and the tape above it. We did that prior. And then we pulled it and pushed it as we went. And now it's the final product. So go ahead and hit it, Philip. Ooh, boy, that shit's fire. Nice. Yeah, tap it again. Yeah. Go ahead and give him a rev, Philip. So I always forget to do an outro for the video, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Shout out to Philip for helping me do the wiring and getting it all set up. So appreciate it. See you guys in the next one. Peace.